Here's my iguana video. We're at the dock at Paradise Village Marina. It's the summer of 2013, and our boat neighbor Emerald Lady has complained about an iguana problem, and we didn't think we had any. We saw one that was up on the bimini and he came flying down, but Chip was able to take him away and put him back on the dock. But this morning I noticed over in the rear anchor windlass hole over here that I've now since plugged with a rag was open, and a little iguana head was sticking out. So I thought, how the heck are we gonna get him out of there? So I decided to put a friendly enticement of some lettuce on a paper towel over here on the cap rail. Chip asked me to put something down so that it wouldn't mess up the cap rail. And it worked. It lured him out, and there he goes. He's gonna eat a piece. Hopefully he doesn't think that we're gonna always feed him like this. So hopefully once he finishes his lettuce snack, he'll move on, because he'll realize he can't go back. Now we just hope that we haven't let any others in the dorad holes. We've started to put the shades on the hatches when we leave because of Kelly on Emerald Lady saying that they had an iguana issue. So I just wonder. He's not a fast mover. Not now, because he's at peace. He knows there's no threat. But I think if I were to go over and try to move him, he'd take off like a shot. So I'll just keep my eye on him, make sure he doesn't go anywhere else on the boat. We never read about how to deal with iguanas on the boat. We'll have to write an article. Maybe we should call him Rango. And that's the wilds of Paradise Village Marina.